If you're looking for kids' chairs swing, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, most popular, by kids outdoor porch swing. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2. Number 3, by HLA. Get your favorite kids' chairs now. Just click this circle in the corner dot. Number 4, by Fisher-Price. Number 5, by Realdo. And online deals, for more great related products.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.